Hi, my name is William O'Hara Davis. I'm studying foundation degree exercise and wellness management. So we've been doing a variety of different topics. We've done like exercise psychology, done some exercise anatomy and physiology. At the moment, we're doing more of work-based learning. So we're on a work placement. I'm personally at a leisure center. So we've done a variety of different sporting activities here as well. So we've also done various things like rock climbing. Probably one of the things I like the most would be not only the facilities, but also like the professors that I have here, as well as the classes being a lot smaller. So rather than having a big lecture hall where you don't really get to communicate one-on-one with your professor, the classes are small enough that I can ask any questions or not be intimidated or anything like that. I had chosen Coleg Gwent instead of going to a university because I found that it was much more easier for me to save having to like commute or anything like that to a different city or to move to a different city. So in the long term, I was looking to go into more sports teaching, so PE teacher kind of direction. But I think directly out of uni, I'd go more into personal training. I definitely recommend Coleg Gwent for a higher education course, if not just for the convenience, but the tutoring here is excellent. As I said, with smaller classes, it's ideal for me.